As a Mercury customer, if you're eligible, you can earn, redeem and celebrate with rewards. To get started, open the Mercury app and head to the rewards section. If you haven't already opted in, simply switch rewards on. On your rewards dashboard, you'll see your points balance and where to view your points activity. Explore different ways to earn points and redeem rewards. Then each year you'll unlock your anniversary bonus. If you have an anniversary free power day available, you'll be able to book it here or manage any other rewards you've locked in. Earning points is easy. Our app challenges are a fun way to boost your balance, hit your favourite walking track, or put your mind to the test. You can also go in the draw to win prizes. Earn 1 point for every dollar on your bill when paid on time. Plus, get your friends on board with Mercury too. Once you've earned enough points, you'll be able to redeem rewards, like enjoying 24 hours of free electricity with a free power day, or credit on your account. Plus, learn more about your anniversary bonus. At a computer? No worries. You can check out your rewards at mercury.co.nz/myaccount. Thanks for watching.